Moses. That's obnoxious. Yep. Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to our travels. We are still at Carnarvon Gorge at the Breeze Holiday Park. Morning, honey.
Morning.
Just getting ready to leave. What a great place. Great stay. Carnarvon Gorge, definitely put it on your to-do list. Quick, cookie score. Three. Definitely. With the magic of modern science, we'll be on the road just like that. Okay, all checked out. Breeze Holiday Park, Carnarvon Gorge. Let us show you on the map where we're headed to today. Okay, 80 k's back to Rolleston for fuel. Let's see how we go. Crossing the rocky creek one last time, we retrace our steps, bidding farewell to the stunning Carnarvon Gorge. But before we continue our trek north towards Rolleston, Michael has a stop planned to show me something special. No. Near Carnarvon Gorge lies the wreckage of a Douglas C-47 Dakota, the site of a tragic wartime crash. On November 16, 1943, this aircraft was caught in a violent electrical storm over the ranges near Rewan Station. The aircraft broke apart mid-air before crashing into the rugged terrain below. All 19 on board were killed, 14 Australian soldiers and 5 United States personnel. Today, parts of the aircraft still remain scattered across the site, with a memorial established in 2004, featuring remains of the Dakota standing as a tribute to those lives that were lost. We went on reserve tank, which was good. So we're just at Rolleston, fueled it up, and we're just going to go get something, coffee, I think. It's a bit cold today, actually. Oh, look at this. Nice bike. This is a pretty good stop.
It's very busy.
Little park at Rolleston. Cute little coffee there. I'll quickly show you. Leaving Rolleston, we cross the Comet River, named by Ludwig Leichhardt after he saw Comet Wilmot blazing in the western sky during his 1844 expedition, heading north towards Springsure for a quick stop before continuing our journey towards Gemfields. Alright, just got to backtrack a little bit. We don't want to go to Emerald today.
We don't need to go to Emerald.
No, we don't want to go to Emerald.
We don't want to. Are you getting on?
No, I'm waiting for you.
Oh, I was waiting for you. I wonder where I thought you were right behind me.
I'm waiting for you. Ah. Good.
Yeah, jump on.
Sound effects are free. One day only.
Which was not one day, haven't you done it a bit? Let's find this. Turn off the Tambo, it's the one we wanted. Oh, it's telling me to turn around.
Is it?
Oh, I have gone the wrong road.
Oh, have you?
I think so, yeah. Oh, hang on, no, it's recalculating. Oh, what are you doing?
Continue on Dawson Developmental Road.
Yeah, and then what? Okay, it keeps wanting to give me a shortcut.
What?
If I follow the blue line, I'm on the right track. Oh, it's a very, very good road.
And then this.
And look what she did.
Just made it an even better road.
Even better. Willows, yeah, Willows, that's where we want to go. Rutland Road, Lockington, Capricorn Highway. There you go.
Okay.
That's us.
Let's do it. We're in sapphire country. 1 kilometre.
It's just one road in and out by the looks. It's not the place to bring Sue if you want to get away in a hurry. It's an evil laugh.
Tourist trail. Right, we'll stop at the park here for a bit. A little stretch or not?
Yeah, definitely.
Awesome. Good.
Yep.
Ugh.
Sorry about Susie's sound effects, everyone.
Got very sore hips today. Quick lunch stop at Willow's Gemfields, where we got to see up close this cool Mad Max postie bike. It was back on the road towards our destination, Rubyvale.
Capricorn Highway, baby. Was it 2015 last time we come through? 10 years ago.
Alright everybody, we've arrived in Rubyvale. We're at the Rubyvale Caravan Park. Got ourselves a little cabin. Let's just have a look at our bed for the night. Oh gosh, why is it that every key... Oh my goodness. Alright, let's check it out. Cool. Alright. I have to take Michael for a beer before he'll let me go sapphire hunting. He's being mean today.
It's the rules. Don't break the rules.